Alrighty, welcome to Grover's Box Car Derby. Never done a derby myself, but it's a kid coaster, so we should be fine, right? This is like, guys, we got the shit in the bag. Let's go. Whee! Oh, yo, why did I trust Grover? Why did I trust Grover? Oh my God, I was lied to. This is not a kid's coaster. Where are we leading? Why the hell are we leading? Yo, I did not sign up for back pain. Oh my God, okay. That was not me screaming on a kid's coaster, right? Whew. Oh my God, yo, slow down. Welcome to Icebreaker. This is the part no one is gonna see anymore. All right, let's transfer over. Secured and transferring. You know, this ride just gives me nightmares. All right, we got this. Woo! All right, let's roll. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. We gotta build the momentum, so we got this. All right, here we go. Yo! Oh my God! Oh! Oh no! I'm the biggest back. I am the biggest back for this thing to not make it over that. Okay, okay. All right, we're good. No, we are not. Hey, what's up? Yo! Oh my God! Yo! Slow down! Oh, why are you angry? Yo, this thing is angry. Yo! Icebreaker, not backbreaker. What are you, Bane from Batman? Oh! Oh my God! Okay. Woo! I'm riding the Orange Express. Let me get some sunshine special. And it's over. Okay, yeah, no, guess we're not over. What the heck is that, a launch? Okay, it's the brakes. We're good. All right, guys, I'm good. You good? Oh my God, brake with you side! Oh, okay, here we go.
Let's go.
All right, so I was told that these penguins fly. Yeah. My boy's looking cold. Falling ice.
Oh my God, what is this little baddie?
It's sudden drop. Ah! Okay, we're good. You see this? This I like, guys.
Cool.
Give me 30 more of these type of roller coasters, and your boy is great. Ooh, it's windy. We're in a cave now. Oh, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. No, we're right. We're gonna go up slowly and stuff. It should be fine. Oh! Oh my God! Penguin suicide! Oh! Okay. That was a surprise. Dear Santa. No. Okay. Wee! Oh no, we! No, we! No Nintendo Wii! Okay. Oh, that was hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Oh my God! Woo! That was fun.
Okay.
All right, hey! Okay, you're shaking my inner. What do you mean another launch? Oh my God! Oh! Oh, I'm back! I'm in a chiropractor. I don't crack my back. Okay.
Oh, my cheeks.
Oh, your boy's good. Hey, yo. Okay. Oh, shaking my insides, my outsides.
I love it.
That was fun. Good time. Yo, where's the warning? Jeez, at least say 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Pipeline. One of the most aggressive roller coasters in SeaWorld. No, no, por nada. Oh my God, here we go. Hope you guys are ready, because here we go. Oh my God! Yo! Where's the warning? Jeez, at least say 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, nope, I'm dangling. Oh my God, so aggressive. Feed me first. Oh, look at all the cars. Oh my God! Whirly whirl. Oh, okay. I think we're good. No, we are not good. Oh, look, Christmas. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, I can't feel my legs. What's going on here? What in the black Sesame Street is this? Oh my God, okay. Now I'm a grasshopper. I'm jumping! Oh! Can you please just... Oh, what is that? Oh! Okay, we're good. Woo! Never again. Are you good? Oh my God, that was terrible. I have a headache. Oh my God! No! What's up with the roughness? Alrighty, welcome to check-in. One of my least favorite rides to SeaWorld. By a long shot. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, look at that climb. What is this, Bible study? Why do we need such a big climb? This ride always gives me a headache. Every single time. I don't think I've ever had a pleasant experience on this ride. Look at Mako dropping over there. There they go. Woo. Gotta be us soon enough. I consider this ride being relative of the Hulk. Just because it fuels the same habit. Alright, here we go. Time to ride the green octopus. Oh! Okay. That wasn't bad at all. Yo, never mind! Oh my God! Yo! What's up with the roughness? Yo, I'm not a salt shaker, this shake me. Okay. Oh, what is the half pipe, turnpike, I-4 is this? Okay. Oh, this is aggressive. This is egregious. Yo, why are we going under? I'm not a groundhog. No. Okay. Woo! No woo! Oh, under again! I'm not a prairie dog! Okay. Oh, this is, woo, that was rough, guys. Thank God it's not in the filming, of course it's not. Oh my God, we are the ultimate moles! We're underground! Oh, and a barrel roll for good luck, right? Oh my God! Oh my God, I can't do no more. Ooh, Atlantis. No! Oh, we're in the dark! What is this, a horror movie? Yep, it's a horror movie. It's absolutely a horror movie. Oh. Yo, that was horrible. Take one for me in the morning. That was rough. 10-10. That was rough. Oh, no! Oh! I don't want to get stuck! Yeah! Chopped and screwed, more like it. It's so pretty though, you know. It's a very pretty ride, guys. It really is a pretty ride. I'm just not a fan of getting utterly soaked. It's that tease. Hey, yo, whoa! I guess it's not a tease anymore. This is where they get you, right? You think it's a nice, sweet, chill ride, right? It's cute, right? You're safe. Don't fall for it. I've made this mistake already. Your boy is cooked. Your boy is cooked up in this ride. No, it feels a little bit more violent than the last time I was on it. Such romantic music. What is this, the date? Such romantic music. What is this, a date? A whole new world. Water fountains, little shows everywhere. That's cute. But we all know the evil that lurks within. We all know. Oh, I see my girl Medusa. Is she gonna move or is she just gonna... Hi, Medusa. Oh! What is that, my stepmom? Alright, time to go up the first hill. And Medusa's gone. I'm so big back, this thing is struggling to get up the hill. Oh yeah, we got that Greek pop music. Oh, here we go, here we go. Is this it? Is this the big drop? Is this where I forget my... No, it's the Sahara Desert. Where the heck is the water? Guys, there was no water here. That was a fake drop. I repeat, false alarm. This thing is dry. Oh, okay. All right, this must be the drop. Oh, okay. That was a horrible jerk. All right, guys, here's the next climb. This is it right here. I can tell. This is it, guys. We are cooked. Oh, here we go. This is not it. We are not cooked. I repeat. All right, guys. This is absolutely it. Oh shit! Here we go. Here we freaking go. Here we go. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh! I don't want to get stuck. Yeah! Oh! Hey, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all this time. Woo! Everybody good? ¿Estamos bien? Qué milagro que no nos mojamos esta vez. That water was cold. Oh, like cold. What's cooler than being cool? Ice cold. We got that baby hop coming up next. Last time we did that baby hop, your boy got wickedy wet. Oh, here we go. Splash. Like your ass got that. Oh, they got wet. Oh, they got wet. We did not, but they got wet. Oh my God. This one is bad. I hate this one. No! Yo! How does the baby hop wet me more than the big drop? Falta una más, la peor. Yeah. It turns into a roller coaster. No way. Yeah. Ay, Dios mío. Tengo el trasero Quítame esta agua de encima. Yo, my butt is soaked. Hey, y'all. It's a death march. It's the demise of Angel. This is it, guys. It was good knowing you. Oh my God, that's right. And it's ice cold in there, and it's cold out here. My butt's wet. This is a bad experience. We're recording, by the way. This is a very bad experience. Oh my God, it's cold in here. Turn off the air. We're wet. Turn off the air. Oh, some of the water just went up my crack, my neck, my back. All right, here we go. Oh my God, I hate this part with a passion, y'all. I cannot stress how much I hate this. All right, we're good, right? No, it's a damn roller coaster! Oh, not the splash! Oh, Splash Mountain could never. All right, we're good. We're good. We survived. Oh, not the goddamn pretzel! No, I like crackers. I don't like pretzels. Oh my God.
You're fine.
Not too bad.
It's fine.
It's not too
It's just gonna go really, really fast.
Got this.
And it's gonna turn a lot.
Done this shit so many times that I know all the tricks.
Yeah, buddy.
All the lies.
Wow, that's a fall drop.
Mistakes are already made.
Yeah, buddy.
Mistakes are being made. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, and it's freaking cold. Not the goddamn pretzel. No, I like crackers. I don't like pretzels. Oh, I lost the camera. And it's back. I'm not a fan of pretzels, guys. Not at all. Very nice pretzels. Yo, I'm gonna yak and yeti. Why are we doing a barrel roll? Oh, yo, that was rough. Let's never do this shit. What do you mean? Why? Why is it not over? Oh, yo. Oh, is it probably gonna get wet? I don't want to get wet. Oh, I got wet. Oh, to infinity and regret. And now we have.
That one does suck.
And now we have. That was 2 minutes of my life. I'm never getting back.
Oh my God.
You good, Ernie?
It was worth it.
It was worth it.
Amy?
Oh, it was good.
Terrible. No! Never mind! Oh my God! You know what? Oh God, I hate this climb.
We started together on Pandemonium.
We did. And now we're doing Miley Cyrus's climb.
What do you want? Cyrus.
I love Miley Cyrus, but right now, she looks like Skeletor. And of course, with the climb comes the fall. Comes the fall. Oh, look, Panera. No! Never mind! Oh my God! You know what? Put me back on Grover's Boxcar. Oh, right. Oh my God, we fall in the water, I swear to God. Okay, oh my God! Woo! Oh my God, airtime. I am flying off of this chair. I need seatbelt! Okay. Oh. Okay. All right, not that bad. Yes, it is. Whoa. Yo, my phone falls out of my pocket. Somebody send my tweet. Okay, we're good.
Oh my God, I
Oh, Starbucks? That's what I'm saying. I'm not Superman. I don't want airtime. Oh. Let's take 5 and come back in the morning. It keeps going. Okay. I'm gonna need a whole nap. Oh my God. Do not knock me off. Do not knock me off. I'm a big fan. Why are we over water? Oh, it smells fishy. Oh. Yo. That was nuts.
Got my pulse in my throat, got my thoughts in a mess. I've never wanted anything like wanting you now. Every broken piece in me is fitting somehow.